Business continuity and disaster recovery planning and contract risk management. By aligning business continuity and disaster recovery planning with contract risk management, organizations can protect from potential liabilities and losses. Risk identification and assessment. Business continuity and disaster recovery planning often begin with a risk assessment. In the context of contract risk management, this involves identifying potential risks associated with specific contracts. By analyzing and assessing these contract-related risks, organizations can prioritize them based on their potential impact on business continuity. This ensures that critical contracts are given special attention in continuity planning. Risk mitigation strategies. Effective contract risk management includes the implementation of risk mitigation strategies. This involves not only allocating risks but also planning for how to manage and recover from those risks if they materialize. Business continuity planning may involve developing contingency plans for specific contractual obligations to ensure that even in the face of a disaster, the organization can continue to meet its contractual commitments. Contractual clauses. Specific clauses within contracts can address business continuity and disaster recovery. For example, contracts may include provisions related to force majeure events, which specify how disruptions caused by natural disasters or unforeseen circumstances should be handled. These clauses can define the rights and obligations of parties in such situations, aligning with disaster recovery planning. Performance guarantees and bonds. Business continuity is closely tied to an organization's ability to meet its contractual commitments. Performance guarantees and bonds, such as performance bonds or payment bonds, are often part of contracts to ensure that the contracted work is completed as agreed. These instruments can serve as financial security to aid in disaster recovery efforts, ensuring that contractual obligations are met even in adverse conditions. Technology and data continuity. In today's digital world, data and IT systems are integral to contract execution. Business continuity planning involves safeguarding IT infrastructure and data. Contracts may specify data backup and recovery requirements to ensure that critical data remains accessible, even in the event of a disaster. Alternative dispute resolution, ADR. ADR mechanisms, such as arbitration and mediation, are often included in contracts to resolve disputes. Business continuity planning should consider how these mechanisms can be accessed and utilized during times of crisis. This ensures that contractual disputes can be resolved efficiently, even in the face of disruptions. Testing and validation. Both business continuity and disaster recovery plans and contractual commitments should undergo regular testing and validation. Organizations can conduct tests to ensure that contractual obligations can be met, even in disaster scenarios, and adjust their plans accordingly. Insurance and surety bonds. Insurance coverage and surety bonds play a significant role in disaster recovery and contract risk management. Insurance can provide financial protection in case of business interruptions, and surety bonds can help ensure contractual performance. These financial instruments should align with an organization's risk management and continuity strategies.